howdy and happy Thanksgiving, a day for mainly Americans to eat loads of turkey, mashed potatoes, followed by pumpkin pie. Me on the other hand, hey, I'm always moving, and I've just heard via the hotel restaurant that there are elephants loose on Miami Beach. So given that, and it's only 5 blocks up from the hotel here, try not to get run down, on 36th Street, yeah, there are elephants, so let's go find the Faena Forum over there. This is the Faena Hotel. If you did watch, one of my videos last year was about the Damien Hirst golden mammoth at the back of this hotel. I'm just going to check that out. Probably still can't see it properly, and I have just heard via people at a table at the hotel restaurant that there are elephants loose on Miami Beach as of a couple of days ago. This will be no doubt for Art Basel, which is the Miami Art Fair next week. They are there apparently for the week. So they turned up early from wherever they've come from. So let's go find some elephants. Under the boardwalk, down by the sea. I just keep this rolling. This is another accidental last minute video. Let's see if we can see the golden mammoth. It's about here. Oh right, it's right there. Didn't even know you could see some of that. Well, you've seen no doubt more than I have. Well, that's the arse end of the Damien Hirst golden mammoth. I'll see it from a side view, although it's too far away. It's just here. Unless they've cut back the greenery. Well, that's a better view than last year. I think they've cut back a lot of the greenery. Okay, 36th Street is where these elephants are. I see elephants.
I come here to see the elephants. I'm over here to see them elephants on 36th Street. That's where I'm at now. On the beach, they got them on the beach. In my ear. We cut it all up. On the beach.
So after you take her to the room?
You gotta walk out on the ocean. They're on the ocean here. I
don't have to drive in the
I'm out here now. Take her in.
Yeah, definitely elephants.
Sorry. So you get some money, let me get straight with you.
Dale, pónganse ahí, pónganse. Dale.
Gracias, tranquilo. Bella, gracias.
Wild.
Randy, ven. Hay mucha gente.
There may be a thumbnail in this.
Obvio, oye, nosotros hoy estuvimos como una
Princesas imperiales. مردم باش اشکال نداره من از اونجا راه میام تو هم بریم.
Yo le saco. Sí, no, yo no la veo. Yo le entrego.
Una contigo, claro.
Oh, there you go. Who'd have thought it? Only in Miami.